Good morning, Lainey. Good morning, Alfie. Good morning, Tyler. Good morning, Courtney. Good morning, Amy. Good morning, Isabella. Good morning, Lietha. Good morning, Ocean. Good morning. Okay.
Keep it lemon mush.
No, I didn't. He said he wanted to buy your lanyard. No, I didn't. Why would I do that? I have 90.
Use this one for now.
I have 75p because you stole 20p.
Okay, 3,
I took it off you.
2,
I didn't.
and go. We need to get out of the habit of coming in and not getting the whiteboard weekends out. I'm not being friends. Saturday, so you keep it. You're not optional. So, we are working out. Why are you doing 3x plus 1? I am asking, what is the gradient? What is the y-intercept? So first off, Ryan, I've got 3x plus 1. What is the gradient? 3. Brilliant. This number indicates the gradient. The gradient is 3. So what is the y-intercept? 1. Brilliant. The y-intercept is where we get the plus. Okay. Looking on your whiteboard, if you haven't started, if you have a go at those, I'm going to give you about another minute to start. If you finish those, can you make sure that you've written the date, you've underlined the date, and you've underlined the title? Today is going to be a graph recap, a recap of the skills, and then we're going to look at some real life graphs.
Yeah, that's just not funny. Hey, you better give me a report this time, man. It's on your desk. Bruce got his name. Big man T. Do you just say big man T? What, big man King?
Like, you know, like the hair, like, it goes like down and like goes back up like that.
Yeah, could be ice cream.
People find that attractive.
They didn't have it.
Yeah, I know. People generally
I
find
don't know
it
how we did it.
like,
Okay.
No.
do you just like
Hopefully, you've had a go at those, and you can just. I'm not going to go through them now. So, now, really make sure you've written the date and title and underline that in your book. Can you make sure you've written the date and title? Courtney, if it's from you sat there, we'll move you, okay? So please, alright, please make sure that you're facing this way, not chatting. Alright, thank you. Okay, so
It's just a bit sharp.
today we're going to recap. So I'm going to look at a skill, then you're going to have a go at that skill in your book. Okay, we'll then, partway through the lesson, we're going to watch a video.
Yes!
Don't get too excited. It's a video on linear graphs.
Yeah, never
Not a video of something else. So, today,
You joking?
we know what the gradient,
Slap man's now
the
to
gradient
space.
intercept form. So our key words then are gradient intercept form, which is y equals mx plus c. And that's the form that all linear graphs must be drawn in. So, we know that. I'm going to skip this one. So,
Skip the video, yeah.
let's look at this the first set of questions are designed to practice. I'm going to do the first one as a worked example, then you're going to do them. So, in your book, can you write worked example?
Not my hands. My hands on his lap.
His hands on his lap, dude.
Okay.
What
The
gooning?
first one, I've got
I'm a fanboy.
a gradient of 3 and a y-intercept. Can you copy this down? Boys, copy this down.
Yeah.
And a y-intercept of 6. Copy that down as a worked example. So sometimes one of the things you'll have to do is get given, yeah.
I'll complete it. He bought one off Miss Kabaka literally last level.
Oh, thank you, Santa.
What happened to the clicky pen that Sergey did?
Okay, so sometimes you're asked this. You're told what a gradient is and what the y-intercept is, and now you have to write it in gradient intercept form, which is our y equals mx plus c. So what? The gradient is 3. All I'm going to do is this. Y equals 3 is the gradient, 3x. The y-intercept is 6 plus 6, and I'm done. So we're writing it in that form. Can you make sure that you've got this
Yes,
copied
sir.
down
I see
into
what
your
is that.
book? Okay? So we're following that form of y equals mx plus c, where x is our gradient, c is our y-intercept.
So I forgot the number that comes before after 6.
Okay, so
What's the number that comes after 6?
what I'd like you to do, setting it out like I've done. Questions A, we've just done as the worked example.
Yeah.
B through F, please. Could you have a go at those questions?
Yes,
I'm going
sir.
to give you about 4 minutes. Off you go.
So date is Thursday, the 16th, 2016.
You can see my worked example. You're now going to have a go at those on the board.
Okay, sir.
Actually, 2027.
You joking?
I just thought it would be useful for us to recap breaking down some of those
I thought it was
skills, yeah?
1998.
No, generally it is 1938. Okay, I think it's 1939. Shot died.
Go.
Wait, I'll do it.
Like, I looked at you through that and I realised you thought that worked, so stick with it.
That was well done. Oh, that's inappropriate.
You'll notice E and F are written differently. You have to really think about those. That's why I've chosen some of these questions. There's a few more minutes.
Good morning, very novel. Looking really good, very nice. Fish, fish, baby bowl.
I can't remember.
Which baby pound?
Yeah,
Which?
we got dog. When he's like this, she just got the neck.
Which baby pound?
Yeah, sorry, it means the y-intercept. It's not y
Keep
minus
my uncle and balls, yeah, Batman.
It looks like, I understand why you think that. It's just showing that there's two such things. Okay, let's get going. Henry, you having a go at
on
those?
my face. Kick my uncle in the balls, I'm
Alfie, you
Batman.
having a go? Alfie Lewis, you having a go?
So, do you watch TikTok? Do you watch TikTok?
Inappropriate question.
No.
Okay.
Thank you, Harvey. I don't know what that is, and it doesn't sound like it. It sounds like a swear word, so please do not.
TikTok? It's an app.
Oh, I thought you said something else. Yes, I know.
Do you use it?
I haven't been living under a rock. No, I don't use it.
might get in trouble there.
He did, didn't he?
Yeah, he did. Yeah, it's a TikTok.
I thought he said the SH word. Right.
Oh.
Okay.
Oh, Roddy.
Okay. Make sure you don't. Okay.
I would never say that, sir.
Thank you. I'm sure you wouldn't.
He's
Harvey.
saying that as he
I'm
hasn't
sure
said
you-
it like
I'm
a
sure
break.
I'm sure you've never ever said that word.
I've
Right.
never ever swore.
So he's been dragged over a table.
Keep going.
I got dragged on the table.
I got dragged over a by.
Right, Alfie.
Honestly, I was sitting.
Okay.
I sat down to drag over a table. It was today, by the way.
Ow, that was hot.
No,
Kick my uncle on the balls, yeah,
But basically, I
Batman.
did this to him, and he
I literally
dragged
told
me.
you about I was just trash
He
can.
dragged me over the table. You have done it to me.
Yes,
I'm gonna do it to her. Look at Jim. So,
Okay. I'll go through those.
Easiest
shall I?
target.
If a gradient of 1 is
Yeah, who else?
Zero.
She was
watch it.
Annabelle
about
White.
Nancy.
Baby
This is my
Annabelle.
clue.
What? You call Annabelle Fiery?
I'm actually a fanboy. Yeah. So just drop my
Oh
purple.
shit, Annabelle.
Can you put my purple one? Yeah, good girl, pick up.
I can't reach it. Look, I can't reach it.
This is
I'm
a
a
T-Rex and
That helps.
I'm a boy fan, but I can't reach it.
can.
Okay.
I can bend over. I'm not bending over. This is your little bomb.
You want to bend over because you don't want your camera to see.
Get off me!
You don't want the camera to see your cock.
Like big BBC.
More like S.
There you
More
go.
like S. Small white. No, S. WC. Small white. Just the way he likes it.
Yeah, she does.
Or she likes it in Spanish eyes.
Oh, I can be special.
Special.
Yeah, she either like
I feel so special because they made on BBC. They made a show just about me. BBC Children in Need.
3, 2,
Oh, my pen.
right, Henry, 1 to the
I thought it said.
and looking this way.
Remember the picture I said to you?
Okay, so I'm going to stop you because I think the others are fairly straightforward. Now that if you look at my worked example, I'm going to look at E.
I'm a
So,
fanboy. I'm
E,
a fanboy.
we're told 2 pieces of information.
I'm J2 Trash.
On question, thank you. On question E, we're told this. It's got a gradient of 1, and we're told it passes through, the line goes through 0, 4. And I need to write that in the gradient intercept form. So I can start off by going, hang on a minute, I know the gradient, y equals 1x, and I know that I just write x, I don't need 1. Boys, I want you looking this way.
Yeah.
So I know that the first bit is just y equals x. What I'm not sure about is what this part means, the coordinate. So I have to picture a coordinate grid in my mind. And if I picture a coordinate grid, it looks something like this. I've got x and y, and I'm going to follow the coordinate. Well, 0 is right in the middle. It's sometimes called the origin. 0, 4 is going to be on the y-axis. And if the line passes through that point with a gradient of 1, that's where it's going to cross the y-axis. So all I need to look, this is x. If x is 0, y is 4. Okay? It will always be 0. The y-intercept will always be 0 first, then the y coordinate. So we've got 0, 4, so it's y equals x plus 4. And that's in that intercept form.
I'm not testing that.
If we look at F, we are told the line has a gradient of 4, and the line is on 0. Harvey, that's a warning. Can you stop singing when I'm talking? Thank you.
to wear a scarf.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Fine. What does it sound
Ooh,
like?
drink boy.
I've done the homework.
So I did 50% of it.
I've done 70%, and that took me 2 hours, I think.
Well, I'll see it. Okay.
I
Okay.
really struggled.
What's
I
it?
didn't pay attention.
G equals 4. Line is 0 minus 2. So y,
Who's coughing like that?
guys, thank you.
Sir, Courtney's still got a scarf on. She's gonna take it off.
Wow.
Wow.
You just got in class quietly.
Guys, I'm waiting. Thank you.
Welcome.
So, if I've got a gradient of 4 and a line here of 0 minus 2, that's where it crosses the y-axis. So it is 4x with the gradient simply minus 2. Can you self-mark your work? Oh, I didn't put the answers on. Okay. Okay. Don't worry. That's fine. Hopefully you're okay with that. Okay. So, here's the next bit. Can you write worked example in your book? Worked example again. And we're going to look at another skill for a type of question that you need to be aware of. So, this one is all about, does this coordinate go on the line?
No.
So the first thing I'm going to do is write down does, you're going to write this, does 2, 5 as a coordinate, does the, oh, sorry, not does, is, forgive me, is 2, 5 on the line, y, can we stop the chatter, Courtney? Y equals 3x minus 1. Thank you. So, is 2, can you copy that down, please? So everyone copy that down as a worked example.
On it.
Okay.
Yeah. Oh, okay, I'm going to easily copy that.
So, here, this is really straightforward if you follow what I'm about to show you.
2.5.
So I've got the coordinate, and I need to know, is that coordinate on the line? So this is my first step. Step 1, copy this down. I'm going to do that 2 is an x, and that 5 is the y coordinate. Okay? And I'm just going to make a note of that underneath. X equals 2, y equals 5.
Yep.
Okay? Because that's what the coordinates mean. X equals 2, y equals 5. Yeah? We know the first coordinate is x, the second is y. So now, my second step is I'm going to substitute in, I'm going to substitute in 2, thank you. I'm going to substitute in to my line equation. Watch in. Y is 5. So what we're saying is this. Is 5 the y, I'm going to substitute in, does 5 equal 3 times 2, because that's what 3x means. 3 times 2, take away 1.
Underneath what example?
Underneath that, she's
your
mother.
Is.
Oh, I can read that out.
Oh, sorry, is. Yeah, sorry, is. So, step 2 is just substituting in. You've done the substitution. Okay? So I've got to say for those lines, is it on the line? Is 3 times 2, 6 minus 1, does it equal 5? Yes, it does. 3 times 2 is 6, take away 1 is 5, y should equal 5. So yes, then I can answer yes, it is on the line. And that's done. So all I'm doing is I'm taking the coordinate x and y, write what x is, write what y is, substitute it in. Make sense?
Yes.
Okay. So I'm going to give you 4 or 5 minutes
Mm-hmm.
to do question B to F. I want you to write the questions and I want you to follow these steps. Is 2, 5 on the line? Write step 1, show X and Y. Write down what X coordinate is, write down what Y is. Substitute Y for the Y number. Substitute the X for the X number. Does it work? If it doesn't work, it's not on the line. If it does, that coordinate is on the line. Off you go.
So, can we get a new chair? It's got gum on the leg. It's sticking to my trouser.
I've not got my
Yes,
sharper
you
now.
I'll get one for you.
I think it's like, we've just had break.
Have a go at these. Have a go at these, and then I'll let you go. That sounds fair, doesn't it? Thank you.
Should make a point to break.
At 2. That's how I'm jumping it.
I can hit my leg.
Oh, okay. And so we're
I'm
gonna do-
recording you.
Baby girl.
Right. So we're gonna do the work now.
Oh, there's gum on the chair. There's gum on the chair. What?
So, we're supposed to start by writing down from the board. Copy the first
To the 4. I need to remember them.
Give me this.
Actually, stop now. No. I won't issue it.
Copy it down.
Sorry for now. No.
Go let me do it one more time.
I don't pinch your legs.
No, you ush me, so I get to do it.
No, you push me as well. No.
I want to do it.
Stop.
Then I go with that.
My Google account.
So it's got such freaking account. The den maker is such a You pinched me too, remember that?
Tyler, get on with the questions.
Down here. Oh! So it's recorded a YouTube video for over 20 minutes.
And that's why. Yeah. Have you had a go at the first one?
I won't issue anymore. Push.
See, I don't
The X,
ignore me.
Oh! Actually, stop now.
You call the legs. Ben made a mark, that was there already.
Izzy, look what he done to me.
I didn't do that.
He made like 2 in a piece.
What, like,
You mean 2 in a pound.
take away 1. Are they in balance? 3
there
times
should be
2
a red mark up
is 6,
here
take away
somewhere.
1.
It's not.
So,
There was a red marker.
Gaslighting you.
it
I'm
is
reporting you for recording me.
It's like
For recording for 20 minutes.
24.
Have a go at the next one.
It's
We'll
only
work
been
out
24
4
minutes.
words on that line. Okay?
It's only been
So,
25 minutes.
Yeah, so yeah, it's only been like 25. Maybe 26.
oh, away, 'cause I feel like they're distracting.
Bum bum. Let's go out to the club now.
That's your work.
Yeah,
That's
yeah,
my work.
yeah. Some balls now.
We make different. We make everything.
I need to put wine
The massage is amazing.
in your pocket.
Look. You're so spicy. Remember this one?
I like the pepper this. If you stop,
No, you can make it.
just stop.
Right.
Hey.
Okay. So we've got
Yeah.
1, 2, 5. Yeah.
And
We're
just
working out, is it on this line? Is it on the
Doing
line y equals 3
Yeah.
minus 1?
Yeah,
Yeah?
that was recorded.
So the 2 is the x, the 5
Yeah.
is the
Yeah.
y.
Voice note, yeah.
In the coordinates, the x first, then y. Yeah?
Once for 25 minutes.
So
And I
x
just caught
equals
you.
2,
I just caught you saying.
y equals 5. We're going to substitute
Yeah.
in
About
this.
that.
So we've got 5
I've just told.
equals 3x.
I'll send that to her. The whole thing. And we'll tell her. Mum said it next. Exactly what you do on the floor right now.
Take away 1. Are they in balance? So does 3 times 2 take away 1 equal 5?
No, you don't want it. It's not fun. You're not
Courtney, what question do you want?
Before.
Right, we need to
Yeah,
get going.
you'll get
Something
back.
we finished, I need to move on. I want you to, this is on GCSE. So it's up to you.
I'm working in the dump. I'm driving in here.
That actually perfect.
Sher's angry.
GCSE of maths. Why am I going to be a voice actor? I need English
We want
or
to know if
languages.
2 5, the coordinate 2 5 is on this line.
Yeah.
So my first step is I look at the coordinate
They
2
get paid
5.
pretty well.
2 is the x coordinate,
Yeah,
5
£11
is
an
the y
hour.
coordinate. So I can say that x is equal to 2 and y
Minimum
equals
wage
5.
like
Makes sense so far?
£10
Then I
30.
take a line equation, yeah, and I just substitute in. I'm going to swap y for 5 and x for 2. If they
And the
balance,
average for our age is
if
about
5 equals what I get on this side, then it's on the line. If it doesn't, it's not. Okay?
let's all go to court now. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Some
Split in the middle
balls
for
now.
£100.
So,
Do you do for £100 a week? No, not £100. Do 100 grand a week? No, yeah. Do you do a job that pays you 100 grand a year or
And sir, did you know minimum wage for like 13-year-olds are about £3.40?
That's just.
No, £3.40
I
per
should get
hour.
paid to come there.
Yeah, you got paid. If you got paid 10 quid every hour you were uniform, by the end of the week you'd have 385 quid.
I've been doing the math.
I have, yeah. Because we're at school for 7 hours.
No, 6.
No, I calculated it as 7
It's
hours.
6.
There's 6 then, which is
It is.
6.
Okay,
Including
you've
break and
got
lunch, that's
2
an hour
minutes.
long.
2 minutes.
No, and then 5 hours is less.
Right, Lenny?
Yes.
Add it, add it.
Not sure.
The brain ain't braining, is it?
Okay.
Look, she ain't getting to a spot like that. You meet me at the booty that either.
And 1. Okay.
You have to meet me at the meeting that you like.
Can you stop the chatter?
Yes, sir.
So, I'm going to change this question.
I don't know.
Is the coordinate 1 on the line 3x plus 1? So I'm now doing question B. Question B. So,
So
I'm
can I open the
gonna
window?
take you
It's
through
hot.
the steps.
Sir, can I open the window? I'm boiling.
Yeah, just open it a little bit. Okay, watching this way.
That's
First thing I've got to do is go, okay, is this coordinate which is linked? Sorry, just waiting. Is the coordinate on this line? And these two are representations. Remember, coordinates are also representations of the line graph, so they're linked. So watch it. If we've got 4, 1, I'm going to say which is the x coordinate, which is the y. Well, 4 is the x and 1 is the y. So we can say x is equal to 4 and we can say y is equal to 1.
Get off
That's the first thing to do. Then I'm going to look at the formula itself for the line. Y equals 3x plus 1. Now, if I substitute it in, the y coordinate should be equal, this part should be equal to this part. So I'm going to substitute it in. If y is 1, Does it equal 3 times x is 4 plus 1? No, it doesn't. They are not in balance because that was 13. So 4, 1 is not,
There's another word for example.
you can write down, is not on the line y equals 3x plus 1. Okay? That should be fairly straightforward to follow. If you showing your working along that as well. So I'm just going to put the ones that you've done. I'm going to ask you to self-mark in purple. Answers are on the screen.
Probably my shoe stuff.
For the next group of questions, I'm going to need you. For the next group of questions, I'm going to need you to have a whiteboard and pen. Yes, Declan. Yeah, I cut it off. I didn't do G. Yeah. Okay. Can you get a whiteboard and pen out? So you're ready? How's that helping you? How's what you're doing now helping you, Jensen?
Because then I can remember.
No, it's not helping you. You haven't? Have you worked them out? You're just writing down answers. It's not helping you. Okay. So 3, 2, and 1 listening. You need your whiteboard and pen. Can everyone show me their whiteboard and pen in their hands?
My camera's held up by tape.
Your camera's held.
Sir, you got a whiteboard and pen I can use.
Naughty.
I left it at home. Today I don't feel like doing anything. Thank you, sir. Oh,
Okay. Here's what I want you to do.
oi.
Can you? I want you to give me the equation of these 3 lines. Can you give me the equation of these 3 lines? Have a go. I'm going to go through them. You've got 2 minutes, Courtney. Silent independent.
2 minutes. Find the equation. What's that mean?
I'm going to go through it.
Like stuff on the board.
What is
Words.
the equation of that line?
Basically. Words and numbers.
Oscar, have you got your whiteboard? Have a go on that,
To
mate.
the door. Can you do that? See my hand.
You're not allowed to go to the toilet though, are you? Yeah, are we, man? Okay, have a go at those. I'm going to go through them. So, think about what is the y-intercept? What's the gradient?
Yeah.
What are you doing?
Every girl is get ready to move tutorial.
The guys today to go to school, like yeah.
I need a girlfriend. I'm lonely.
Okay.
You see the Chinese
Courtney,
girl
have you made a
with
start?
like white.
You're hot, guys, sorry. 3, 2, 1. You do not need to speak. You are practicing this. So there's opportunities in our learning where we do, but right now I want you to have a go.
Bless me.
I've sent the email, Tyler.
Bless you, Tyler.
And you know what we're doing.
What is
Bless you, Tyler.
So this is different. Now,
Tyler, do you get rid of me?
equation of the line is. So where's the y-intercept?
Hey guys, today I'm doing my hair.
We're gonna do it.
Okay.
Yeah, it's like you're not too pretty. Like you.
And 1. Okay. There's a couple of people, more than a couple, who just aren't 100% sure. So,
Tyler Black can
Tyler, stop talking when I'm talking. Courtney, same for you. Rise this way. So, we're now moving on to another skill. Okay? And this is one that we've been working on. Y equals mx plus c. So, in order to find a straight line graph, to write the equation, I need two things. We did this to start with. I need to work out what the gradient is, and I need to know what the y-intercept is. So, I've got to work out both of those things. First of all, the first one, the y-intercept, really easy. Where does it cross the y-axis? Well, here you can see the y-intercept is 4. So I'm going to put the y-intercept as 4. And now I'm going to find the gradient of the line. The gradient of the line. And I'm going to pick 2 points on my line. And I'm going to go for one across. I'm going to make a right-angled triangle up the line. And stop. And you can see that for one along, it's 3 up. And remember, we do the rise divided by the run, or the horizontal, so 3 divided by 1. Okay, gives us a gradient of 3. So I now have the gradient of 3 and the y-intercept. Now this is the easy bit. We did this earlier in the lesson. Y equals mx plus c. I'm going to put y equals 3x because m is the gradient, c is the y-intercept. So now I'm going to put is positive.